guys, welcome back to my channel. And those of you who don't know me, my name is Dinkle and I make videos mostly about styling and fashion hacks. So if you're interested, do subscribe. And today I'm going to style 5 different dresses and also 2 different ways to wear them so that we can reuse them. Yes, it's a very short video. Stay till the end. Let's get started, guys. When it comes to a satin dress, especially the red one, it always looks hot and makes you stand out, but it doesn't really work if you're wearing it twice or thrice and people really notice it. So I am pairing it with this pant or skirt. It's super comfortable and won't even make you look fat because it's satin, it won't even take any space. So my recommendation is do try this. It will make you look versatile and won't even take a lot of efforts. Just tucking your dress in your pants or skirt, that's it. Do try it, it really looks cool. This one is my favorite. You can wear it in your office or a date after office or office party. It really works everywhere. Just pair it with a pant or a tube top or directly wear the coat dress. That's it. I really love it. It's really easygoing and comfortable. I'll wear this anytime. Well, this dress is really classy and has cute details with a knot and a flaring skirt. But you know what? I really like playing with my clothes, so I am pairing it with a shirt and a pant. Yes. So just add a shirt, any kind of shirt is fine on your dress and it changes the look completely and looks like you're wearing some new clothes with a new pattern. Also pairing it with a pant is super recommendable, super comfortable. It really looks cool and if you're going on a lunch date with your girlfriends, this is perfect. I love the flare of this dress. It looks classy and I can even wear it with my family or a rehearsal dinner. Also, you can pair it with your pants and a belt. If you want to make it work different ways, you can watch my video on 20 hacks to style a shirt. You can actually create something really beautiful than this as well. So I would really recommend you to watch that video. I'll mention the link below. That little black dress that everyone has and loves to wear it, but you know, we can't repeat our dresses, so here are some of the hacks. I am converting that dress to a skirt and pairing with a black top and a tube inside, also layering it with a jacket and it changes the look. So remember layering and twists and turns. Thank you so much for watching.